Hello, Mr. Chester's class. This is Mr. Bray with our end of the cohort coding update. So, for all my day students, I go through and go to code.org and see how many lines of code we did as a class, and then I find out who our top 5 coders are, and I make a little video and kind of go through who they are and how many lines they coded as a class. Mr. Chester's class coded 15,000 lines of code. So an amazing job. I'm so proud of all of you. So let's get to our list. Coming in at number 5 was Brian with 1,029 lines of code. Way to go, Brian. Our 4th place was Chris with 1,126 lines of code. Way to go, Chris. Number 3 was Jaron with 1,195 lines of code. You can see how close numbers 5, 4, and 3 are. Number 2, Peyton jumps up a little bit with 1,524 lines. Way to go, Peyton, our number 2 coder. And number 1, since the very first day, she is actually the top coder in all of the 4th grade. She had the most lines coded of any 4th grader, and that was Kristen with double anyone in class with 3,776 lines of code. Kristen, just an amazing job. And like I said earlier, our total was 15,533 lines. If you get a chance to walk by my room, which I don't know if you will, being I'm in the 1st grade hallway, but here's the bulletin board, and I have it updated with all the top coders in each class. So you can see Kristen over here. It's kind of hard to see, but if you're in person, you can see it. And as an entire group, day 4 students coded 51,935 lines of code. Yep, that's on the ceiling. I ran out of room with my chart here. So have a wonderful time in your next special. Take care. It's so nice having everyone in class, and I will see you next year. Bye, friends.